Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious cookies very easily, step by step. First, let's get organized. Gather all your ingredients and equipment like mixing bowls and baking sheets. Make sure your butter is softened to room temperature. This helps it cream smoothly. Also, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius so it's ready when your dough is. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, cream together your softened butter and both white and brown sugars until the mixture is light and fluffy. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, beat in your eggs, one at a time, making sure each egg is fully incorporated before adding the next. Finally, gradually add your dry ingredients, mixing only until just combined to avoid overworking the dough. It's time to form and bake. Drop rounded tablespoons of your cookie dough onto an ungreased baking sheet, making sure to space them about 2 inches apart. This gives them room to spread without touching. Place the baking sheet into your preheated oven and bake for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the edges are beautifully golden brown. Don't overbake them for a chewier cookie. Almost there. Once your cookies are out of the oven, let them cool on the baking sheet for about 2 to 3 minutes. This helps them firm up before you move them. Then, carefully transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container for up to 3 days to keep them fresh. Now, enjoy your warm, homemade cookies.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.